All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is okay. So, we're going to discuss Mason Greenwood. Yes, the Manchester United young starlet. Certainly, his career hasn't been the one that definitely have been kicked off on the right profile, but definitely he's trying to find his way back. But that's not the big talking story here. The big talking story is Mason Greenwood. Let me just put it up so you guys can see. As you can see right here, as you can see right here, Mason Greenwood spotted in training in a Reggae Boy jersey. Now, let me get this out of the way first. You know what? Before I get into the details, before I get into the details, really want to say thank you very much for the support. Please do smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Now, let me start off this video by saying, and big up the viewers, big up subscribers, big up the patrons, and also the channel members. You guys keep the program running. All right, so let me start off by saying, first and foremost, this might mean nothing at all. That's the first thing I'm going to say. It might mean nothing at all. And it meaning nothing, it would make this video irrelevant. It make this video just, basically, it also makes the video means nothing at all. But there is a but. Let's track onto Mason Greenwood's career. Regular start in the Manchester United team, one of the most promising youngsters in English Premier League. A lot of big clubs were after him. A lot of people were speaking about him. All the major media outlets were heavily focused on Mason Greenwood. But out of nowhere, a huge incident occurred between him and his girlfriend. I think are they married? I think they're engaged or something like that. And he ended up being an outcast, thrown out of Manchester United, literally having a heavy amount of charges on him. And at the present, how it looks definitely as if something was going to happen. He was going to be thrown behind bars. That's how it looks. And all the evidence are pointing in that direction until something happened, something changed, and he was cleared of the charges. And after that, you realize that he has been out for such a long time period. Manchester United not giving him a look in. I'm not sure England is going to give him a look in, because if you guys know the history of how England operates, especially for how can I put it now? Especially for a player of Mason Greenwood ethnic background, the chance of him playing for England again are very, 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 very slim. Prior to that, he basically was sure to get into the England team, almost 100% sure. I think, and then now when you see this, you're like, oof. We've seen it over and over again. History. Don't never deny history. History has proven itself over and over again. When players find themselves in a position like that, they don't normally make the England first team again. Senior team. They don't normally do that. Now, with him being accepted back by Manchester United, or on the verge of being accepted by Manchester United, will the case may be that England might accept him back? We don't know. But all in all, with him now wearing the Reggae Boy jersey, maybe, just maybe sending a subliminal message that, hey, I'm open for the option. I could be wrong. I could be reading too deep into it. It could mean nothing at all. But sometimes, this is how these are the marketing strategies for a lot of the top players. These are the marketing strategies. These are the strategies that they apply. Play with one set of fans, just these little things. And what it does, it keeps the option open. Excite the Jamaican, the Reggae Boy fan base. I know the English fan base would want to see him. Some, maybe basically, it could be a 60, don't want to see him, and a 40 would still want to see him. Maybe some in that region. But the chance, the big issue is, will the English FA look past what had happened between him and his girlfriend and the charges being laid on him. And history, as I said, would have spoken in that aspect and said no. That's what history would have shown. Nonetheless, his options are still open with the Reggae Boyz. We know the talent that he has. He's a youngster, bright star. Will this or does this, just this image of him training in the Jamaican gears, does it really mean something? He could have been training in Manchester United gear, because I am sure that he has been training, and all of a sudden the only images released of him training was the images of him in the Reggae Boyz gear. So was that a direct attempt to send a message? Or maybe you have other images of him training. It's just that those images didn't came out publicly. Or maybe it's because now he's in a Reggae Boy jersey. That's the reason why it hits maybe a different market. And that's why I said targeted. It could be a strategic marketing move by sending out those specific training images, because they know that they will play with the fan bases, either the English fan bases or the Reggae Boy fan bases. And that's just how football is. That's how the marketing world is. And that's how they do things. Now, as I said at the start of the video, it could totally mean nothing at all. And the chance of it meaning nothing could be 100%. And the chance of it meaning something could be just 5%. But you see that 5%, it's huge. Let me tell you why it's huge, people. Because if that message is, if it's a subliminal message that is being sent, it is well received, because it is now the talking point across all major social media platforms. And I do believe that if that 5% is directed to the marketing aspect of Mason Greenwood, certainly they know exactly what they're doing. And it goes to beg the question, is there a possibility that Mason Greenwood could become a Reggae Boy in the near future? Far more possible than what we think. That's a big question. Tell us what you think in the comment section. I would really want to know what you guys think in the comment section. Does this mean anything? Does this mean nothing? In my perspective, I do believe that there's a message being sent. I strongly believe that there's a message being sent. And that's the reason why these specific photos are the ones that were released. Big up, people. Smash the like button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Big up, Mason Greenwood, a Reggae Boy. Hey, that would be interesting. I'll see you guys again. Music!